Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zack Snyder movie. To truly capture his unique vision, you'll need to immerse your audience in a world of striking visuals and profound themes. Think about how every frame can tell a story, often with a grand, almost operatic feel. It's about creating an experience that is both visually stunning and emotionally resonant, leaving a lasting impression on viewers. Let's dive into the core elements. Achieving the Snyder look starts with cinematography. Desaturated colors, often leaning into cool tones, are essential. You'll want to use slow motion judiciously, perhaps for 1/4 of your action beats to heighten impact. High contrast lighting with deep shadows creates a gritty, dramatic atmosphere. Consider shooting in a wide aspect ratio, like 2.35:1, to give your film an epic, cinematic scope. This visual language is key. Beyond the visuals, Snyder's films delve into profound themes. You'll want to explore mythological archetypes, often deconstructing traditional heroic figures and their motivations. Craft narratives that embrace moral ambiguity and the concept of sacrifice for a greater good. Visual storytelling should take precedence, allowing the imagery to convey much of the plot and character development. Your characters should grapple with challenges of epic proportions. Finally, the action and overall impact are crucial. Design action sequences that are both brutal and balletic, often featuring a signature stylized aesthetic. Blend practical effects with seamless computer-generated imagery for a grounded yet fantastical feel. A powerful, often melancholic, orchestral score will elevate the emotional weight. Aim for a substantial runtime, perhaps 2 hours and 30 minutes or more, to fully develop your epic vision.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.